The market hits yet another target perfectly and we buy the dip. Now all eyes are on 4,200. This is Invest with Jacob. Okay guys, so if you watched the video yesterday, I told you that we were going to pull back to the 4140, 4150 region and then turn higher looking toward 4,200 to complete wave 5. We bottomed in 4142 and we bought the dip. Now we'll get into that in just 1 second, but first, if you're new here, welcome to the show. My name is Jacob Gabbard and this is Invest with Jacob, and I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get our daily S&P updates, our trade setups, and our buy alerts. Okay, so we use Elliott Wave here to give us accurate entry and exit points of the market and give us an idea and expectation of what we expect the market to do. When Elliott Wave Theory follows through and hits its targets, it becomes very, very predictable, and it's a very strong indicator of when to buy and sell the market. We saw that again in this structure yesterday when I told you the market would pull back to 4140, and it did, and it bounced out, and now we're looking at 4,200. Now, the reason I'm pretty confident in this is we've hit our targets all along on this structure. And that's important because, as I said yesterday, solid structures that hit targets are less likely to fall apart. So now that we've hit another target, we can be more confident that we are headed towards 4,200 as the structure is laid out. So let's jump into the market and take a look at what this looks like. Okay, guys, so here we are on the 5-minute S&P. And if you'll remember when I talked about yesterday's video, we came down here at the bottom of wave 4. And we made our wave 1. Then our ABC structure was almost picture perfect for wave 2. We had our wave 3 move up that hit the exact extension we wanted it to. We pulled back to the area we wanted to again, so we've hit every target along the way, which makes this a very solid structure. Then we bounced up out of wave 4 at the close today to 4163. So now we are targeting the end of this structure, which is wave 5 up here at 4200. So in the overnights right now, the futures are up 11 points and climbing. And we expect to attack 4,200 tomorrow. I'm guessing we're going to open hopefully around the 4180 region so that we can attack the wave 3 high. And then once we take out the high of wave 3, we are starting to build our 5th wave in a 5-wave structure, which should top at 4,200. Here we will look to close our current trade and then wait for this wave 2 pullback back down to where we were today in the 4140 region. Okay, and this setup right here, this is, I talked about yesterday, this is where we really want to go long and try to capture the big movement, because what we're getting here is we're getting the start of a wave 3, which is a big deal. As we know, those are the most powerful waves. We're on an inverted head and shoulders, so you got a shoulder here, you got your head down here, and then you got your second shoulder building here, and an inverted head and shoulders is a very bullish setup when all the other indicators like Elliott Wave and the support zones and the MACD and everything else go along with it, which they are right now. So we're looking to sell the trade up here tomorrow, hopefully, let it pull back for the rest of the week on wave 2 down into this 4135 to 40 region. And then here we're going to load up and go long again with another excellent trade opportunity. So if you want to join us when we make our buy right here and know exactly when I put out the buy alert, get in our Facebook group. There's a link down in the description. Okay, click that link and get in the Facebook group. The only requirements are you subscribe to this channel, so hit that subscribe button right now, and then like my Facebook page. And then you're in my Facebook group for free. In there's a Slack channel that we talk on. That's also free. And I give real-time market updates on what's going on in the market, when we're going to buy, when we're going to sell, what price we're buying at, everything you need to know to make a successful trade. Okay, guys? So get in that Facebook group right now, and you can get those updates. Okay, so key takeaways for tomorrow. We're just going to watch the pattern fill, we hope. That's the idea here. We're hoping that the market goes ahead and gaps up at the open, pushes through wave 3 tomorrow once it takes out this high, pushes on up to 4,200 so we can close out that trade, and then sit and wait while the market pulls back and we get to reload again. All right, so key levels tomorrow, 4,200, well, take out the wave 3 high, then 4,200, and then sell and go home. All right, guys, happy trading. I will talk to you tomorrow.